So we have to do 5x plus 11x plus 2x, which is equal to 180.
Okay, after this, what do I do?
Then, sir, we have to find out the x.
Okay.
And my source 10.
So what is the answer that you have got?
10.
Okay. Mr. Satya, E part, how do I do E part?
So we have to do 4x plus 10 plus x minus 20 plus 2x minus 20, which is equal to 180.
Okay, after that?
After that, we have to. Sir, I didn't understand this question.
No, how do I solve this equation?
Yeah, so that's what I didn't understand.
So we'll collect 4x, x and 2x. So I'll write this as 4x plus x plus 2x. And then I'll collect the numbers. Any doubt?
No,
So this would be equal to, Mr. Satya?
7x.
And this would be equal to?
So minus 10.
See, this is minus 40 and plus 10. This would be minus 30 degrees. Any doubt?
No.
What do I do next?
Then we have to divide 30 by 7.
30 by 7.
Yeah.
Why? This minus 30 will come on the right hand side. So 7x would be equal to? And x would be equal to? Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, how do I do F part?
So 2x plus 4x plus 3x minus 50 plus 5. Then 2x plus 4x plus 3x will become 9x.
Yeah.
So 9x plus minus 50 plus 50 will become minus 45. So 9x minus 45 equals 180. Then we'll add 40. We'll add 45 on with 180. Then we'll divide 9 with 2 to 5.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
Mr. Satya, previously we have done lots and lots and lots of equations. You need to revise the previous videos. Mr. Satya. Mr. Satya, how will I do B part? Second B part.
So, sir, I did 4x plus 15 plus 3x plus 4x plus 15. So
This would be equal to?
So I did the then I did took all the x together. So I did 4x plus 3x plus 4x, which would be 11x, and then I took the numbers together. So 11x plus 30.
What should I write on the right hand side?
So 360.
360. Okay. What next?
Then you have to add 30 to 360.
We have to add, or we need to subtract.
So how
I'm sorry.
why do we need to subtract?
मिस्टर सत्या पुराने वीडियोस रिवाइज कीजिए प्लीज, सारे यूट्यूब पे अपलोडेड है. Why do I subtract? Because I want to eliminate this 30 degree. How can I eliminate this 30 degree?
By subtracting.
By subtracting. Sir, पुराने videos, please revise them. Otherwise, it will become very difficult if we are not able to solve equations. Exponents and equations. Yeah.
Final answer will be 30.
30 degrees. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Satya, बात समझिए. Equations, exponents, they are very, very critical. All these videos are being uploaded. Is equal to Shivang. There's a playlist in the name of, I think it will be in the name of linear equations. You need to revise those. Okay. So, Mr. Satya, how do I do D part?
So I did 3x plus 15 plus x plus 3x minus 5 plus 3x plus 20. Then I took all the x together, which would be equal to 3x plus 3x plus 3x, which is 10x.
So the next step would be to
Take
collect
all the x's.
Yes, shabash. I need to collect all these.
So it would be 10x
Shabash.
plus minus 20. Sorry, minus 10.
See, 15 minus 5 would be 10, and 10 plus 20 would be 30.
So I think the question.
So 10x plus 30 degree would be equal to 360 degree. Mr. Sarthak? I'm sorry? Yeah? Mr. Sarthak, is it okay? Mr. Sarthak, is it okay? Is this step okay?
So just a second, my page is just so low.
Mr. Satya, have you understood?
Yes.
Sarthak, is this the answer that you have got? 33 degree?
No, sir.
So you have made some mistake.
So, but this should be where you've written plus 30, it should be plus 10, right?
Plus 10. Okay. So this is 15, this is 5. This is 10. And then there is a 20 degree here. So this 10 plus 20 would be 30 degree.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Just check. No, sir.
So I have 15 degree, 15 minus 5 is 10 and 10 plus 20 is 30. So this is my 30 degree. And for x, this is 3x and 4x and 7x and 10x. So this is my 10x. So 10x plus 30 is equal to 360 degree, and then the rest, final answer is 33 degrees. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So you need to be careful when you are doing these questions because you will find lot of numbers and lot of x's. So that is why you need to be very focused. Okay, Satya, how should I do this? B part?
So 3x plus 3x plus 40 plus 3x plus 5 plus x plus 50. So we need to collect all the x, which would be 3x plus 3x plus 3x plus x, which should be equal to 10x plus 55.
3, 6, 9, 10, 10x, 45, 60. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
See, if you get confused, you can use a system like this, where you can mark all the x's and all the numbers so that there is nothing left. Satya, what should I do next?
Then we have to subtract 60 by 360.
Shabash,
Then it would be 10x is equal to 300.
shabash.
Then we have to divide 300 by 10, which should be 30.
Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. How do I do E part? Mr. Satya?
So we have to do x plus 23 plus 5x minus 5, which is equal to, so I think 180, right? Because they're asking only two.
Mr. Sarthak, why should this be 180 degree?
So because they're given only two sides, but if we do this we put into two at the end and put the other numbers in brackets, then we can put 360.
Mr. Sarthak, Mr. Satya, the reason is these two are parallel lines. So this line is parallel to this. Because these are parallel lines, angle would be equal to angle A plus angle B would be equal to 180 degree. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
See, this angle A. So if this line is parallel to this line, A plus B, angle A plus angle B would be equal to 180 degree. Similarly, if this is C and this is D, can you please note this down? Can you please note this down?
Yes, sir.
In the next class, we'll do some parallel line questions also. Please note this down. So angle C plus angle D would be equal to 180 degree. Satya, any doubt?
No.
Please note this down. So that is why, because this line is parallel to this line, and this is a transversal. Therefore, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
So then the rest of the things are as usual. X plus 5x would get added together. This would be 6x, 23 minus 5 would be 18. This is 180 degree. 6x is equal to 162. Yes, x would be equal to 6 to the 12 and 6 7 the 42 degree. Is this the answer both of you have got? X is equal to 27 degree.
Yes.
So actually, I couldn't understand.
Okay. Have you understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the answer would be 27 degree. See, most of our lessons are uploaded. So whenever you want to see any lesson, most of them are uploaded. So say, for example, if you are facing any difficulty in parallel lines, similarly, lots and lots of, I think, maybe around 15 to 20 videos of linear equations are also uploaded. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
Sarthak, have you understood this rule for parallel lines?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So how should I do A part? Have you guys understood?
Yes.
How did you do A part? Satya?
Sir, I did 4x plus x is equal to 180. Then I did
No, actually, see, okay. I'll explain this to you. You can do this as homework because I think we need to be clear about the properties of isosceles triangles. Okay. So Satya, what is an isosceles triangle?
the triangle with the two same sides.
Equal sides.
Yeah, equal.
So if this is a triangle ABC, and if two sides are equal, any two sides are equal, then this is an isosceles triangle. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Now the good thing about an isosceles triangle is that if these two sides are equal, the angles which are opposite to them would also be equal. Mr. Satya. Mr. Sarthak.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, if AB and AC are equal, then which two angles would be equal? Mr. Sarthak?
So ABC and ACB.
Shabash. So this angle and this angle. See, it is very simple. If you have two equal sides, the opposite angles would be equal. And similarly, the opposite is also true, Mr. Sarthak. So, for example, if I tell you that this angle is equal to this angle, then which sides would be equal, Mr. Sarthak?
So CA and BC.
Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No.
So let us try to understand isosceles triangles again. So if this is an isosceles triangle, this would be equal to this, and this angle would be equal to this. Sarthak, any doubt?
No, sir.
Similarly, sir, if these two angles are equal, let us assume that these two angles are equal. This is given to us. Then I'll say that this is an isosceles triangle. And similarly, what I'll say is that this side would be equal to this side. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No, sir.
So what you guys need to do is, we'll discuss this question number 4 next time, because you need to do this question again. Is there any doubt still?
No.
Okay. Mr. Sarthak, how should I do question number 5?
So I didn't write these questions.
Okay. Can you tell me? Can you tell me now? How should I do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Mr. Satya, can you tell me how to do this question?
Sir, I'm not sure about it. X plus 15 plus 2x is equal to 180.
Remember, we had done this vertically opposite angles. Do you remember this? Mr. Sarthak, do you remember this?
Yes, sir.
This angle would be equal to this angle. If this is A, then this would be A.
So then B and B both.
Shabash, shabash, very nice. And if this is B, this would be B. Satya, any doubt?
No,
So these are called vertically opposite angles. So vertically opposite angles are equal. And Mr. Sarthak, A plus B would be equal to, angle A plus B would be equal to, Mr. Satya,
yes, sir.
A plus B would be equal to, angle A plus angle B would be equal to.
Sir, I think
Sarthak, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So remember, this is another thing that we had done. That if this is a straight line,
So I
and
remember this one.
yeah, if this is these are the two angles which are there on the straight line, then angle A plus angle B would be equal to 180 degree. Satya, any doubt?
no.
So I'll send you this question number 5 also. And you need to do question number 4, which is for isosceles triangles. Question number 5, which is vertically opposite angles. And okay, we'll do these. We'll discuss these two questions next time. Sarthak, is it okay?
Yes, sir.